Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to play 7-3-6-2-5-1-4 chord progression on the key of D. This chord progression is important for every pianist, more especially for gospel pianists. If you're a gospel pianist and you want to sound more professional, you want to sound more gospel, then this video got it covered. Keep watching till the end and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Key D, your 1 is D, your 2 is E, your 3 is F sharp, your 4 is G, your 5 is A, your 6 is B, your 7 is C sharp, then back to 1. So when we play 7-3-6-2-5-1-4 on key D, that means we are playing C sharp, F sharp, B, E, A, D, G. What did I do here? I'm just using the left finger to play one note, while I'm using the right fingers to bring out the beauty of the sound, complement the left finger that is playing just a particular note. Very simple. So while I'm on 7, my right fingers are playing B, E, and G. Then for 3, my left finger is playing F sharp, while my right fingers are playing A sharp, E, and A. And for the 6, my left finger is playing B, while my right fingers are playing A, C sharp, D, and F sharp. And for the 2, my left finger is playing E, while my right fingers are playing G sharp, D, and F sharp. And for the 5, my left finger is playing A, while my right fingers are playing G, C, and E. Then for 1, my left finger is on D, while my right fingers are on F sharp, B, C, and E. And for the 4, which is the last, my left finger is on G, while my right fingers are on B, E, F sharp, and B. Very simple. So, how can we apply this to a song? If you're singing a song like As the Deep Panted For, so you can just apply it there and many other songs. Very simple. As the deep panted for, so waters of my soul. For the last time.